I done been in the street. Well, it's 20. What's this? 2023.
Yeah.
Yeah. Since shit a freshman. So what's that?
15 years ago.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, 15 years. Yeah. Knocking on 20 years.
Yeah. All that shit then I got took in 30 seconds, and I ain't get out of it.
Was that situation aimed for you? You talking about the reason why you in the shell?
Yeah. It wasn't. It wasn't aiming towards me, but shit just. It really was my people and they was arguing. And, you know what I'm saying? Words got exchanged. And, you know what I'm saying? They got the shooting. I got hit.
Beat in the moment kind of thing.
Uh-huh.
How many times?
Twice. In the chest and in the back.
Man, I don't know why I thought it was more.
Chest and the back.
Do you remember when
I got hit with a chopper though.
Oh, that's what it was.
I got hit with a chopper.
did you feel it when it happened?
Yeah. I ain't feel the pain. I felt the bullets turn my body. I ain't really feel like the pain until I woke up. Cause I was in a coma for 2 months. I had a surgery that shit less than 3% make it out of.